Fox Business Alert, cryptocurrencies are rising at this hour. I mean, you got Bitcoin very close to 82,000. It was already over that hump earlier today. It's at 81,984. They're rising at this hour on news the Senate Banking Committee has set this Thursday as the date for its long-delayed markup of the Clarity Act, which would regulate digital assets. This legislation would establish a regulatory framework for the crypto industry, but a last-minute lobbying blitz from major banks may derail the bill before it clears committee. Joining me now, Circle CEO Jeremy Allaire. Circle's a global financial tech firm that acts as a primary issuer of regulated stablecoins, most notably the most popular, right, Jeremy, USDC?
It is the most transacted in the world. Circle's
been deeply involved in lobbying efforts regarding the Clarity Act. There are certain parts that the bank really does not like, mostly that you guys would be held, you guys meaning, the crypto world, would be held to slightly different standards than major U.S. banks are, maybe a little bit looser. What is your take on the bill as we head toward the Senate markup?
Well, I think the Clarity Act is a very important piece of legislation. It will provide a framework for digital asset issuance, markets, and the supervision of the markets. It creates a pathway for digital tokens, an example being the ARC token that we announced actually today. So it's actually critical for the entire financial industry, as well as the digital asset industry, that we get this right. I think in particular, there's been work through this around finding a compromise around how all these platforms that build products around the use of stablecoins, how they can incentivize users or offer rewards to users. And I think it's a very good compromise that's been landed. And it really, instead of just sort of saying, hey, I can put my stablecoin here and earn a passive yield, the platforms need to really provide incentives and rewards based on utility and usage and transactions and payments and other activities. And I think that's great, because that's really where we see the benefits of this technology, is in its utility, not just as a kind of passive way to hold value. And so we think it's a great compromise. It seems like the Senate and Senate Banking Committee is behind that overall, and so we're optimistic about the outcome.
Well, let me just say, the banks really don't like one piece of this, and Fox Business was able to obtain a letter, and in the letter there was a whole bunch of it. They don't like, it almost feels like they don't like that you guys would be able to unnecessarily incentivize the flight of bank deposits into payment stablecoins, because the current version of the legislation would allow you guys to offer interest-like rewards on payment stablecoins. I mean, isn't it the free market?
The Genius Act, which is really what is USDC and Circle are subject to, it actually prohibits us from paying interest directly to holders. It's really about these distributors that use this, that is the focus of this. I think, look, this has been a hard-fought compromise, and of course, not everyone's going to be happy with every dimension, whether it's the digital asset platforms or the banks, and that may be a sign of ultimately, finding a good compromise. So, it's very clear that this is a top agenda item for the president and for Congress, and it is a key piece of kind of unleashing entrepreneurship and innovation in the broader digital asset markets. And so for those reasons, I think that the Clarity Act is well on its way to becoming law.
Well, your stock is up pretty dramatically here. I'm looking at a 16% gain. You came out with earnings, and it certainly looks like you guys have been able to have a 20% year-over-year increase in revenue. We will be focusing very much on the Clarity Act, as you will too. Thanks, Jeremy. Thanks very much.